How many coats of white do you need to get it bright white in an RV? In this particular trailer, I used 1 coat of the oil-based primer. And so far, I've put 2 coats of the top coat. This is what 2 coats of ultra bright white looks like. It's 100% acrylic over an oil-based primer. And again, I only used 1 coat of the oil-based primer. The ceiling hasn't been painted yet. This is just the primer. And this is the top coat compared to the primer. I'm not thrilled and happy with only 2 coats on this one, so I'm going to use 3 coats of the 100% acrylic bright white. Remember, not all trailers and RVs are going to absorb paint the same exact way. So some may require 2 coats, some may require 3 coats. It really depends on your eye, your preference, the type of paint that you use, and the RV and all of that good stuff. So there's a lot of factors that go into it. I recommend applying 2 coats of whatever paint you choose. Let it fully dry for at least 24 hours at the bare minimum, and then go back to it and then check out the color and see if you're satisfied. If you're curious, this is the paint that I'm using in this trailer. It's a semi-gloss Valspar Signature in ultra white. And have them mix it up for you before you start painting.